In this video, we'll show you how to build a simple program that moves a drone based on brain activity. Here's a screenshot of the final program you'll build in this lesson. You may notice that this program includes a block labeled beta. So what exactly is beta? To answer this question, let's first address the question, what are brain signals? Brain signals are measures of electrical activity in your brain. You will commonly see them represented using multiple line graphs. The x-axis of a graph showing brain waves usually represent time. The y-axis represents microvolts. Microvolts are a unit of measurement for tiny electrical signals generated by your brain. While this graph looks cool, it can be hard to understand what our brain signals are doing simply by staring at these lines. To better understand how our brains work during different scenarios, scientists often use advanced tools to extract useful information from our brain signals. One popular tool commonly used to describe our brain activity is called frequency band power. You'll also hear this referred to as frequency band. There are 5 different frequency bands commonly used to understand information hidden inside human brain waves. These frequency bands are important because they have been shown to measure states such as attention, drowsiness, frustration, mental workload, and more. For example, high delta power has been associated with deep sleep. Increases in theta power are often linked with states of deep relaxation. Alpha power is related to being relaxed but awake. Beta power is related to being alert and focused. Gamma power has been shown to increase during information processing and various memory tasks.